morning. So ayun, I'm driving to work na. And I want a quick review from Maharaja Netflix movie. Yes, so ayun na nga. Syempre mapansin tayo. Ano ko ba yung pinana-earth? So syempre nakita mo yung mga reviews sa akin yung Facebook. So ayan, so pa-Apple din tayo. So ayun, very plot twisting talaga ating more ang plot twist ng ating Maharaja. So ayun, bali may snake doon. At doon sa nabasa kong review sa Facebook, sabi nila, snake means they don't recognize their own eggs. And then sometimes they eat their own eggs daw. Ha? Kumakain ka ba ng eggs? So ayun, every morning kumakain din talaga ako ng eggs kasi it's very healthy. Pero back to the movie, kailangan kong panoorin para mag-gets mo yung sasabi kong snake, kineme. Pero alam mo sa trabaho, maraming snake. Uy! Masyadong ano. So ayun na nga, ang learnings ko sa movie na yun ay never revenge.
What?
Pero, ano ba? Hindi tayo papayag. Filipino tayo, di ba? Hindi tayo papayag na hindi tayo maka-revenge. Ate girl, huwag mo kong inaano.
Oh my God!
Yun na nga guys, at nandito na ako sa work. So ayun na yung quick review ko. Gusto ko lang naman magpa-Apple at sumali sa trending ng Maharaja because you know I have to work now. I'm working in the hotel and the restaurant and we have a lot of Indian guests. I'm telling you, and they are nice. Of course, they are nice. So ayun na nga, I don't want to be the snake in this workplace. So I have to go na guys. Boy! Bye!